Standing tall in a suit of blue, reflections on the glass, visions breaking through.
What if I told you that this music was created by AI in less than 10 seconds? No instruments, no music theory, no expensive studio, just a simple text prompt. Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning is Life. Today I am diving deep into MusicCreator AI, a powerful tool that's changing the game for content creators, YouTubers, podcasters, and anyone who needs 100% royalty-free music. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use this platform, test it live, explore all the features, and tell you whether it's actually worth it. And stick around until the end because I will be creating a full track from scratch right in front of you. Let's get into it! So what exactly is MusicCreator AI? It's an all-in-one AI music creation platform that lets you generate professional quality music from text descriptions, lyrics, or even photos. And here's the best part. Every single track you create is 100% royalty free, which means you can use it in your YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, or any commercial project without worrying about copyright strikes. You don't need to know music theory, you don't need instruments, and you definitely don't need to spend hours in a studio. The platform works in 3 simple steps. Number 1, write, upload, or choose your idea. You can type a description, paste your lyrics, upload a photo, or even choose from templates. Number 2, let AI compose your music. The AI creates melodies, rhythm, structure, and mood in seconds. Number 3, listen, edit, and share. Download your track or use their editing tools to customize it further. Before we start creating, let me give you a quick tour of the interface. On the left side, you've got all your tools. AI Music Generator, the main tool for creating music. AI Lyrics Generator, creates lyrics for you. AI Vocal Remover, extracts vocals from tracks. AI Stem Splitter, separates instruments. AI Song Cover Generator, creates cover versions. AI Music Mastering, polishes your tracks. AI MIDI Editor, for more advanced editing. Audio to MIDI, converts audio files to MIDI. Key and BPM Finder, analyzes tempo and key. BPM Tapper, manual tempo finder. Here on the home page, you can see examples of what the AI has created. We have got everything from progressive house anthems to lo-fi vocal tracks, neo-soul grooves, and folk country journeys. Each track shows the duration, genre tags, and you can play them right here to get a sense of the quality. They also have specialized generators for specific needs. AI Rap Generator for hip-hop artists. AI Instrumental Generator, pure instrumentals. Photo to Music Generator, creates music based on images. Happy Birthday Song Generator for personalized birthday songs. Now, you might be wondering, who's this actually for? Well, MusicCreator AI targets several specific groups. For YouTubers, the biggest challenge for us YouTubers is finding background music that doesn't get claimed or strike our videos. MusicCreator AI solves this by creating copyright-free BGM, and you can even create soundtracks from your video themes without fear of strikes. For podcasters, you can easily create original theme music and custom intro background scores that match your podcast story. This saves you 90% on music budget compared to hiring composers. For filmmakers, instead of using generic stock music that ruins powerful scenes, you can generate original, film-grade soundtracks that fit the emotion of your scene perfectly. For advertisers, you can generate catchy, effective, and unique music for ads in minutes, avoiding high costs and overused tracks. For music composers, if you're stuck on lyrics or need fresh musical concepts, the AI acts as a creative partner. With tools like the AI MIDI Generator, AI Stem Splitter, and AI Lyrics Generator. For brands, you can generate a whole library of unique, on-brand music, making your brand sound simple, memorable, and affordable. So yeah, pretty much anyone who needs music can benefit from this. Alright, enough talking. Let's actually create some music. I am now in the main generator interface. You have got 2 tabs here, Prompt and Own Lyrics. The Prompt tab is where you describe the music you want. There's a toggle here for instrumental only if you don't want vocals. Below the prompt box, you've got helpful categories. Genre, hip-hop, jazz, reggae, and more. Mood, sets the emotional tone. Instrument, specific instruments you want. Ambience, background atmosphere. Vocal gender, male or female vocals. Let me show you 3 different examples. I've created so many musics for my own and I've uploaded them in my YouTube channels also without any copyright issues. But for this video, I'll create some relaxing background music for a study vlog. I'll type a relaxing piano piece for study. Genre, classical. Instrument, piano. Okay, it says it costs 2 credits per generation. I have credits remaining, so that's plenty. And let's see, it's generating. Wow, that actually sounds really professional. The piano melody is soothing, the tempo is perfect for background music, and there's no awkward transitions. I could totally use this in a video. Let me show you the options we have now. You can download it immediately, or you can separate tracks using the stem splitter, remove vocals if there were any, convert it to MIDI notes, transform it into lo-fi style. Now let me try something completely different, an upbeat intro for a YouTube video. High energy electronic track with uplifting vibes, perfect for a YouTube intro. Genre, EDM. Mood, energetic. Instrument, synthesizer. Ambience, bright. Click generate music. Wait for generation. Okay, this is fire. Listen to that drop. The energy is exactly what I was looking for. This would work perfectly for a tech review or gaming channel intro. The best part? This took literally 10 seconds to generate. Compare that to spending hours searching through stock music libraries or paying hundreds of dollars to a producer. Now let's try the Own Lyrics tab. This is where you can input your own lyrics and the AI will create a complete song around them. Walking down the street on a sunny day. Got my headphones on, let the music play. Every step I take feels so light and free. This is how life's supposed to be. Genre, pop. Mood, happy. Vocal gender, female.
Ooh, walking down the street on a sunny day. Got my headphones on, let the music play. Every step I take feels so light and free. This is how life's supposed to be. Life is good and just let it. Hey, got my headphones on, let the music play. Every step I take feels so light and free. No worries on my mind, just letting go.
Oh wow, that's actually really catchy. The AI matched the lyrics perfectly with the melody. And the female vocal sounds natural, not robotic at all. This is perfect if you're a songwriter but don't have the resources to record a full production. AI Vocal Remover. Need just the instrumental? This tool removes vocals cleanly, which is great if you want to create karaoke tracks or use the beat for something else. All of these tools work together to give you a complete music production workflow, all in one platform. Let's talk about pricing, because I know that's what you're all wondering. MusicCreator AI uses a credit system. Each music generation costs 2 credits. So with 1100 plus credits, I can generate 550 plus tracks. From what I can see, there's a free tier that gives you credits to start with, and then you can purchase more credits or subscribe to a plan for regular use. The fact that it shows AI music generator for free suggests there's a free option, which is amazing for beginners or people who just need music occasionally. If you want the exact pricing, there's a pricing link in the navigation. I'd recommend checking that out based on your needs. But honestly, even if you have to pay, the value is incredible. Think about it. Hiring a composer, $500 to $5,000 per track. Stock music licenses, $30 to $300 per track. MusicCreator AI, fraction of the cost with unlimited creativity. And remember, everything is 100% royalty free forever. No recurring licensing fees, no copyright worries. Alright, let's break down the pros and cons honestly. Pros. Super easy to use. Literally just type what you want. Fast generation. Most tracks are ready in under 10 seconds. 100% royalty free. Use it anywhere without worries. No musical skills required. Anyone can create professional music. Multiple input methods. Text, lyrics, photos, templates. High quality output. Sounds genuinely professional. Comprehensive tools. Not just generation but editing too. Great for content creators, solves copyright issues. Versatile genres, everything from EDM to classical. Time saver. Hours of searching, composing reduced to seconds. Cons. Credit-based system. AI limitations. Sometimes output might not be exactly what you envisioned. Others might generate similar tracks. MIDI editor, stem splitter need some understanding. Depends on prompt quality. Vague prompts equal to generic results. For content creators, podcasters, YouTubers, small businesses, and indie filmmakers, the pros massively outweigh the cons. This tool democratizes music creation and solves a huge pain point: affordable, legal, high quality music. For professional music producers looking to replace their entire workflow, maybe not. But as a creative tool and starting point, absolutely worth it. Before we wrap up, let me give you some pro tips for getting the best results from MusicCreator AI. Tip 1. Be specific in your prompts. Instead of sad music, try melancholic piano ballad with rain sounds and slow tempo for an emotional scene. Tip 2. Use the tags. Don't just rely on the text prompt. Select the genre, mood, instrument, and ambience tags to guide the AI better. Tip 3. Generate multiple versions. Don't settle for the first result. Generate 3 to 4 versions of the same prompt. You'll get variations and one will be perfect. Tip 4. Combine tools. Generate a track, then use the stem splitter to isolate elements, Lofi Converter to change the vibe, or MIDI Editor to tweak melodies. Tip 5. Reference real songs. If you know what style you want, reference it. Upbeat pop tracks similar to Bruno Mars style, or dark trap beat like Travis Scott. Tip 6. Use for layers. Generate multiple tracks and layer them in your video editor for richer soundscapes. Let me show you how I'd actually use this in my content for YouTube videos. Intro music. 10 to 15 seconds of energetic branded sound. Background music. Subtle instrumental throughout. Outro music. Memorable hook to end on. For podcasts. Theme song. Unique intro that's instantly recognizable. Transition music. Short stingers between segments. Background ambience. Subtle mood setting. For social media. Instagram Reels. 15 to 30 second catchy loops. TikTok. Trendy beats that match current styles. Stories. Subtle background music. For client work. Commercials. Upbeat memorable jingles. Corporate videos. Professional non-distracting backgrounds. Presentations. Elegant transitions. The possibilities are endless. And because everything is royalty free, you're completely protected. So, here's my final verdict on MusicCreator AI. This is a game changer for content creators. The combination of ease of use, speed, quality, and royalty-free licensing makes it an absolute no-brainer for anyone who regularly needs music. Will it replace professional composers for major productions? Probably not yet. But for 95% of content creators, this solves a massive problem: affordable, legal, high-quality music on demand. The link to MusicCreator AI is in the description below. Purchase from my affiliate link. It will help me to create more content like this. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content creation tools and tutorials. Drop a comment below and tell me, what kind of music would you create with this tool? I'm curious to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep teaching.